Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's another vlog. I'm currently waiting for my friend to get ready and so we can leave. We are on our way to the Beauty Revolution Beauty Fest or Beauty, I think it's the Beauty Revolution Festival. I actually have no idea, but I know it's the Beauty Revolution Beauty something. Probably should know, but anyways, we are going to leave. It is currently like 3 minutes to 11, and you know, a girl had to be beat, you know. So we're gonna be on our way soon, and I hope I see a lot of you guys there. I'm so excited because it's probably like the first like South African festival like this, so I'm very excited to actually see what it's about, and I'm going to take you guys with you, and I'm going to take you with me. But yeah, I'm excited and I'm ready to go. I'm waiting for my friend. Oh my gosh. So I will check in with you guys a bit later. So we're officially at... Oh yeah guys, this is my friend Lisha, you know, from the previous vlog, and we're officially at the Beauty Revolution Festival, and it's so busy. I'm actually tired already,
and we just got here.
Yeah, we did just get here, but we're gonna show you guys what's happening. So we are officially back from the Beauty Revolution Festival, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got with my ticket. And the ticket that I bought was it's the beauty box one, which was like 450. So everything came in a box like this. I am going to show you guys now what it looks like. Me and my friend took a cute ass picture at Probiotic Flora, and we got a few cute things from them, which included this like brush makeup, like a mirror and a brush, and then like a sewing kit, which was very smart. I just found out like now. And then I'm gonna show you one thing that was not in my box, but it was in my friend's box, and I really feel like gutted because I also deserve this shit. But anyways, so this is the MAC eyeshadow palette. This is in classic Cutie, and it looks like this. So in my box I did not get this. I don't know what was going on. Maybe because I know also someone else that I was waiting in the queue with that also had a box, they also had this, the MAC, but then when I looked into my box I did not have that. So there's actually a lot of things inside. So let me just break it down. So the only thing that I did not get in this box is this MAC eyeshadow palette. Then I got Fushini makeup removal wipes, and I'm actually excited to try it out because I've not heard anything about the Fushini like makeup. I know that they've launched as well. And then another thing that I got was the Switch Beauty Prime Time Kit. So this is to exfoliate your lips before you put on liquid lipstick or anything like that. So this is another thing that I got. And then there was a lot of other samples. So I got this Misguided perfume sample in Babe Dreams. And then I got a pulse spray that also came with it. And then I also got a sneaker wipe from Sneaker Lab, which they were also there. And then I got a very big Tresemme hairspray as well. So that's pretty great. And then I got a GHD gift card for 500 Rand off, I think, an electrical appliance. I got a Revlon mascara. I also got a Fushini eye implement set, which consists of an eyelash curler, a dual-ended tweezer, comb, and an eyebrow trimmer, which is pretty great. Excuse me. And then I also got a round makeup brush by Fushini. And then I also got a Batiste dry shampoo, a little dry shampoo, which is pretty great as well. And then I got a Lux soap. Okay, and then we're coming close to the end. I got a pore freshenal primer from Benefit. I also got another perfume sample from YSL. And then I got a lipstick from Gosh in this pretty red. And then I got a lip liner plus lip crayon from Fushini. So that is basically what was inside the box. Okay, let me okay, I'll do that now. Okay, so let me give you guys a how it was and all of that. So they had it at the Sandton Convention Center, and I think it was a really great, a great like festival. I got, okay, this is just like a me thing. We got there around 12. We were probably there for like an hour and a half. And as soon as I got there, I was overwhelmed by the amount of people that were there, and I just wanted to go home. I know that sounds very weird, but I just felt like there was a lot of people, and actually I don't mind it usually, but I just did not feel like it. So the stalls were really beautiful. We actually waited, the longest time we waited was in a queue for the Flora, the biotic, what is it called? Biotic Flora, which was the reason why we wanted the bag, right? Because before we'd have to, so the one thing, right? So obviously we bought the ticket for the box because it was like worth 2,000 Rand, the stuff that was worth 2,000 Rand, Kamastach, apparently. But we got a box like this as soon as we entered, and we would literally have to like lug it around, and it's pretty heavy as well. You don't want to be carrying stuff. If you wanted to buy the stuff, like where would you put it? So in that aspect, I would have liked for, because we also asked, well, someone else asked if we could rather pick it up at the end, and they said no, you can't. So regarding that, it would have been better if we could have just picked it up when we were leaving, because nobody wants to lug around a expo with this beauty box or whatever. I know that sounds like a very petty thing, but I just felt like they could have done better planning with that regarding that. They could have literally said at the end, you bring your ticket and then you collect it as you leave, because that was just a lot. But other than that, there was food, there was music playing, there was like this cute place where you could drink by Tanqueray, and it was very nice. But it was just, it was full, but I understand because they were sold out, or like they sold out almost all their tickets. But I enjoyed it. I think it is a great idea. I know that they probably will grow from strength to strength. Other than the fact that I got skipped with the MAC product, it was a really good festival and I probably would attend it again. I know while I was waiting in the queue, a lady and her daughter actually flew in from Durban to just attend, which is pretty amazing that the support is there already. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and like, comment, all those things, all those beautiful things. But anyways, yes, and I will see you next time.